With over a decade of R&D efforts by many doctors of Chinese medicine and various scholars and experts, Eno Health Technology Company Limited has successfully developed the I Doc electroacupuncture device, which combines magnetic waves with a traditional acupuncture experience by using electronic technology to treat pressure points in the palm in a manner like acupuncture. Traditional acupuncture requires extensive time and space constraints, and its effectiveness is often closely tied to the level of experience of the acupuncturist. This is why it is relatively difficult to do by oneself and risky for health reasons. There is now a simpler, easier way to achieve the same effect as acupuncture with the I Doc electroacupuncture device. This non-invasive treatment is low risk and with no risk of the worrying side effects and strain on the body caused by taking medication. In addition to helping users understand their own health condition, the I Doc electroacupuncture device relieves conditions at the same time. It is truly a state-of-the-art healthcare product. Dual function both identifies acupoints and provides relief, allowing you to take your health in your own hands. It has long been proven that acupoints in the hands, ears, and throughout the body are physically linked to various other parts of the human body. The I Doc electroacupuncture device utilizes electric current and magnetic waves to stimulate acupoints. When an organ in the body suffers from discomfort, abnormal bioelectricity is reflected on an acupoint in the hand along the meridians, and a prickling sensation is produced. Varying degrees of pain serve as an indicator of one's health status and potentially alarming conditions within the body. After appropriate electric stimulation is applied to unlock the meridians, this painful sensation will gradually disappear. The principles of Chinese medicine state that pain is obstruction. To free one of obstructions is to free one of pain. At the same time, electroacupuncture improves blood circulation to promote metabolism, improves immune response, balances the body's functions, and assists in preventative health care. The I Doc electroacupuncture device is lightweight and portable and has a user-friendly interface. Simply refer to the hand acupoint chart to begin using the device. It produces noticeable results in the treatment of various diseases of affluence and acute or chronic ailments. It's an indispensable tool for today's home self-treatment and healthcare needs. Strength and reliability in global patents. The I Doc electroacupuncture device is produced by a GMP-certified manufacturer and has ISO 9001, ISO 13485, and EU Medical Instrument CE 0120 certification as well. The product is registered as medical equipment after receiving official approval by Taiwan's Department of Health and China's SFDA. It has also received accreditation from the US FDA and Korea's KFDA. In addition, this renowned product has also obtained patents in numerous countries, including Taiwan, the United States, Germany, China, Japan, Korea, Australia, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Russia, among others. Recognized by the medical field, expert recommendations. Over the years, this remarkable device has won the endorsements of experts around the world. We extend our special gratitude to Professor Dengliang Ye, who is the WFAS President and Dean of the Institute of Acupuncture and Moxibustion, as well as the China Academy of Chinese Medical Sciences and the Taiwan Acupuncture Medical Association for their expert recommendations, and the China Medical University Hospital for its clinical applications. Recognition by the medical community is proof of the I Doc electroacupuncture device's reliability and puts consumers' minds at ease. Give yourself a personal therapist and manage your own health. To use the I Doc electroacupuncture device, First, remove the adapter and probe pin from the packaging and insert one end into the machine. Remove the pad and snap the button end of the probe pin onto the pad. Place the pad on the inside of the left arm. Before placing the pad, remove all accessories and jewelry on the arm first. Then press the power button and the start key. At this time, consult the hand acupoint chart included in the product packaging. We recommend placing the probe pin on the Xiaoxiang acupoint to start, which is below the outer edge of the thumbnail on the left hand. The prickling feeling of the Xiaoxiang acupoint can be used as a basis to adjust output strength with the left and right keys to a tolerable strength. The stronger the output, the easier it is for problems to be detected, and this thereby achieves swifter and more effective treatment. Use of the detect function. Press the downward function key to switch to the detect function. Press the start key to begin output. Consult the hand acupoint chart and slide the probe pin slowly along the respective areas of the palm and back of the hand. It is normal for the palm to contort or feel a slight tingling. However, if you feel the same strong electrical current stimulation as you do at the Xiaoxiang point on the outer edge of the thumb and a prickling feeling, this signifies that extra caution is needed to determine if there are elements of pathology for the organ represented by that acupoint. First-time users unfamiliar with the location of the acupoints can use a pen to mark the precise points where the strongest sensations are felt. By marking these points, you can better understand the state of your health. Use of the relieve function. Press the downward function key once more to switch to the relieve function. Locate the acupoint you intend to treat and press and hold the probe pin on the acupoint. Then press the timer key to select a time setting for relief treatment. Time settings are programmed for 5, 10, and 15 minutes respectively. After selecting the desired length of time, press the start key to begin relief treatment and wait for a beep. After doing relief treatment over a period of time, your body may become accustomed to the electrical current. The stinging sensation may subside, and you can gradually increase the usage strength according to your own preference. When using the I Doc, treat each acupoint for 5 to 15 minutes. Basic maintenance is approximately 5 minutes in length. If treating a specific acupoint, carry out treatment for at least 10 to 15 minutes to achieve the best results, and no more than 15 minutes on any one acupoint. Much like in exercise, where too much can cause the opposite effect and increase feelings of fatigue in the body, total use per session should be limited to 1 hour in total. Upon completion, please drink 300 to 500 milliliters of warm water to help the body's metabolism and increase efficacy. Please do not use the I Doc for any of the following: those with pacemakers, those with a malignant tumor, pregnant women, children under the age of 3, those who suffer from a bleeding disorder, and those with tuberculosis. I Doc functions. Acupoint detection function. Acupoint locations are easily and precisely detected in combination with the exclusive hand acupoint chart. Activation function. Through the use of electromagnetic waves to stimulate acupoints, proper flow in the meridians is achieved much the same way traditional acupuncture does. Magnetic wave function. Immune response is improved through electromagnetic waves which magnetize bodily fluids. Healthcare function. Better blood circulation and metabolism is promoted, increasing immunity and preventing diseases. Simple operation. The simple hand acupoint chart is easy to read and understand and is suitable for use by the entire family. Portability. It is portable, freeing you from time and space limitations. Digital display. The digitized screen displays the time and strength of treatment, allowing for users to fine-tune the device to an appropriate strength level. Power saving mode. This minimizes power consumption for longer use. Embrace health, embrace the future. Through relentless research and innovation, we will continue to bring a full range of Aculife health products to consumers around the world. The invention of the I Doc electroacupuncture device has helped millions to achieve better health. By embracing innovative technology, great health can be enjoyed by all.